packing. I say this every time, but ignore the mess. I'm going away this weekend. It feels like I'm never here. I'm not getting on a plane this time. Praise. I'm just driving a few hours to my family's house. With that being said, I need to pack some things, and it's going to be 80 degrees in Palm Springs this weekend, which is... If you watch my videos, you know I've worked with ThredUp a bunch before. They seriously are one of my favorite websites because, well, A, they're sustainable. Everything is secondhand, so it's kind of like your thrift shopping but online, which I personally can't do in-person thrift shopping because I get so overstimulated. There are so many things to choose from and it's just chaotic and it's a lot. But I still wish I could find some of these like iconic vintage pieces, designers, you know, things like that without having to go walk, search, walk, search. So ThredUp is really great for that because they have so many unique one-of-a-kind pieces that you can sift through on their website. You can do it from the comfort of your own home, which if you're a homebody like me, you will love this. And not only do they have so many amazing pieces, but the prices are crazy. Like the markdowns are probably some of the best I've ever seen for any online shop. So I want to do a little ThredUp haul of what I purchased. I'm going to put the original price and then the ThredUp price so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I actually do this thing on my ThredUp account, which I will put the link to it down below so it's really easy for you to find, where I went in and favorited a bunch of pieces on ThredUp that I love. So if you guys don't want to look and you like my style, you can see what my favorites are. You can purchase them if they're still available. I'm writing my code on the screen here. Thank you so much, ThredUp, for sponsoring today's video. And let's pack. I'm so excited to show you what I found. Okay, we're starting off strong. I was so excited when I saw this piece. It's actually Diane von Furstenberg. Originally, this was estimated at $468. I paid $30. This whole outfit, I just think is cool, casual. It's like dressy but casual, you know what I mean? Like it's a nice in between, and I find the best tops on ThredUp. Let me check what my prices were. So the Levi's jeans, little vintage Levi's that I got in a small, and they're big, but that was kind of what I was hoping for. I wanted like a big, baggy, oversized spring summer jean that I could just wear like super low rise with a bikini. Got these for $31.99 and they were originally about $100. I want to show you another top I bought actually. This next top is by Rami Brooke and it was originally $229 and I got it for $55.99. So you guys can shop hundreds of brands for a fraction of the price all in one place. Just tap the link and use code Olivia50 to shop my ThredUp faves. Cooking at the house, which I'm so excited. I've been craving a bolognese, so we're going to do a turkey bolognese. I'd prefer beef, but my sister doesn't eat red meat, so we're gonna do turkey. We just got some of the groceries for the weekend, and then I'm gonna make a big arugula salad with fresh parm and like a Dijon red wine lemon oil vinaigrette. That's the haul. Now I have to put everything away. Also, I just found this cowboy hat in my closet here, so we're wearing it. We got a bunch of groceries. Carrot, celery, cheat code, tomato paste, garlic, bananas, strawberries.
want to do this Lodge cast iron skillet.
This Lodge?
That's the brand.
Oh, I thought you were saying large with a funny accent. Yo, Lodge. Crying. Lodge. I thought you were saying. Morning. Are you putting Milo's collar on?
Yeah. You hear Jade?
They're gonna meet. We're walking to get a coffee, and then I think we might keep walking, but TBD.
I'm not an influencer. YouTubers in the wild. I'm a businesswoman. Businesswomen in the wild.
The tomato has arrived.
The tomato has arrived. We haven't spoken in a while. We're going out to dinner and I just wanted to show you my thread up outfit. So you guys can shop hundreds of brands for a fraction of the price all in one place. Just tap the link and use code Olivia50 to shop my thread up faves.